In this video, I will try to explain to you how to build your own basic open internet network known as RTRWNet in Indonesia. For to you that who don't know me, I will introduce myself. My name is Adam. I live in Indonesia. If you know Bali, yeah, Bali is in Indonesia. In my country is in the Southeast Asia. So, okay, back to the topic. Let's try to learn something new here about open internet. If you don't know anything about the internet, you can check uh, my video about that in the top corner above. So, in this video, I will try to explain this is very basic open internet network topology to build. Yeah, this is very basic. It's not advanced, but it's very basic. For the disclaimer, right? English. I'm not the native English speaker, so I'm very bad in English, but I will try my best, right, to talk to you, to explain to you about this content, right? I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say, right? Uh, okay, I will try my best. Let's get started. Okay, in this open internet network to build, you have to cite, right? You have to collect some network hardware requirement to build this kind of technology, to build this open internet network in your own neighborhood, of course. Uh, if your location not covered by fiber optic cable, you are very lucky. You learn this video, and I hope uh, you can build your own internet and cover your area with your own fiber optic, and this is very cool to build, right? Okay, in this slide, you need to have few hardware network hardware requirement in the server side, right? In the server side, what is the microtik? This is very important. Microtik is the brain of all this network, right? This is the brain, and this is very important to have. This is the microtik. You must have switch also. 5 port is the minimum. 16 port is the middle. But the 5 port is the minimum you must have, right? And the access point outdoor omnidirectional that radiates signal 360, and the LAN outdoor cable for the connection below 80 meters, right? 80 meters using LAN. But in this in this in this what in this years, in this age of technology, the the internet is evolved, right? uh, you can enjoy internet connection through fiber that cover a long distance, right? So in the open internet, we will using this kind of technology, using fiber optic cables to cover more area, to cover distance area. So you must have media converter, right, to convert from LAN connection to fiber. In the server side, you must have HDBA side. Because I'm using fiber optic cables for core, in this example, I will using just only 150 meters, but uh, you can using fiber optic up to 20 kilometers, up to, right, for each HDB. Because I'm using 4-core fiber optic cables, so I'm using 4 media converter aside in the server side. So in the total investment is around for 50 US dollar. So next slide is the client side. So in this client side, you just need a few network hardware, right? There is three network hardware. You need one of the access point indoor that radiate 360 omnidirectional, and you also must have a media converter, LAN to fiber, HDB B-side, right? B-side because I'm using for core fiber optic, so I will multiply that by 4. And you need also optical distribution point, or ODP, or known as rosette, that handle for core fiber optic. This is the rosette, this is media converter, and this is the access point. Let's get to the main topology. So this is the main topology of very basic open internet network. To build, you need to pay attention. This white line is the LAN cable, and black line is the fiber optic cable. So there is a three section, right? Server side, outdoor, and client side. Outdoor means it's not in the indoor. It's exposed to the weather, it's exposed to the sun, it's exposed to the snow. The outdoor is not in the indoor, right? Okay, let's first I will try to explain to in the server side. You must have the internet connection. The internet connection have five a few multiple choices to choose, right? You have fiber optic, 4G LTE, or 5G connection, right? The stable one is the fiber optic, but I'm using 4G LTE on for YouTube and TikTok traffic only. It's also good. Also good for now, but the stable one is fiber optic. In the fiber optic, you can use broadband, fixed broadband, or maybe you can use dedicated lines. It's more advanced than broadband line, but dedicated line it's much more expensive rather than broadband lines. But also you can use 4G LTE using unlimited connection, or in the next few years you can use 5G connection. Yeah, you must have this, or maybe you can use your internet satellite for the internet connection, for the backbone. You can use that if your location not covered by fiber optic, 4G LTE, or 5G connection. You can use satellite connection. And from this connection, it's connected to the port 1 MikroTik, and this MikroTik is the brain, is the traffic management of this open internet network. This is very important to understand MikroTik, to configure the MikroTik, but in this video I just trying to explain the topology, the basic topology of this open internet network. In the port 2 MikroTik, you remote the MikroTik and you can monitor the traffic of your open internet network from port 2 to your PC. You can using port 2 MikroTik to monitor your traffic on your open internet network. And the port 3 is very important because we using port 3 for hotspot and PPPoA. So what is hotspot? Hotspot is you can connect port 3 and to the port 1 switch. I'm using 16 port for the example, and port 2 is connected to the access point in the outdoor, and from access point from this connection it's using hotspot, right? It's using hotspot. If you don't know hotspot, the captive portal that if you connect to the Wi-Fi services, you need to log in your credential such as username and password. There is the access. There is the hotspot, and also from port 3 Microtik you can use uh, hotspot and also PPPoA. So what is PPPoA? PPPoA basically internet to the home. Internet to the home to your client, right? So if you are using, if your client location is below 680 meters, you can use the LAN cable, right? LAN cable. But if your uh, client is above, if your client location is above 80 meters, you can use fiber optic cables, because fiber optic cables is very OP, it's very overpower. You can use fiber optic cable up to 20 kilometers connection, and it's still connected, right? Yeah, in this example I will using 4-core fiber optic, 4-core fiber optic around 150 meters, right? It's connected to the media converter. In this server side you are using media converter A side, right? A side, and this 4 media converter connected to the 4-core fiber optic, and it go outside and connected to the optical distribution point ODP 4-core. And from this ODP, from this box, we split this 4-core to the each fiber optic 1-core to the client, to the client location, right? To the client location. And from media converter B side, this client we connected to the LAN, and the LAN itself connected to the access point. And from access point, the client can enjoy your connection. And that's basically what what is open internet itself, what is RTRWNet in Indonesia. So this is very basic open internet network topology to build. And yeah, maybe if you have a question, please comment down below, right? So I will try to explain as best as I can, right? Next, okay, this is the last slide. So if you want to support me, please consider to subscribe and like this video and my channel in YouTube. And if you want to support me financially, please donate in the PayPal and cryptocurrency. This is the barcode you can scan. And for my fellow Indonesian friend, please, if you want to support me financially, please support me by Traktir. All this link in the description. Yeah, please, if you have any question, please comment. If you want to me to refill my open internet network in real life, please comment down below. A lot of you that want to refill my open internet network, I will make those video for you. So yeah, this for video. Thank you for watching until the end. I'm really appreciate it. So I'm sorry for my bad English, right? I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.